Yeah, there's a nice, easy tear off.
Goodness.
Customer should get a discount for less labor. Hey, so John and Kevin here, we're the owners of Joyland Roofing, and I've been roofing for probably around 25 years. My dad was a roofer, and I grew up helping clean up on the job and stuff, so I've been roofing for quite a while.
Yep, so I'm Kevin, and I've been in the construction roofing space for about 20 years now. And so we're sitting here watching this video, the worst roofing job in history. Massive nailing issues there, but it looks like the roof is coming off like in whole squares.
Poor customer. A roof like this should last 30 years.
Yeah, at that point.
And it's not even that steep.
Years.
Like usually we'll see this kind of thing sliding off if it's a really steep roof. I wonder if they even used nails.
Yeah,
you can see nails there.
You can see some nails there.
Gosh.
I don't know. They probably just had their gun set too high and blew through it.
Well, it makes for an easy tear off.
There's one thing here, but you can see how high his nails are. He's actually missed the whole neck shingle.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely true. Yeah, I remember. I mean, I'm sure you've been on jobs where you can go in and just like rip a whole whole bundle of shingles off at a time.
Yeah,
because of nailing issues.
Right. Oh yeah.
Every one of them. You miss the shingle everywhere, and this is like this all the way.
Yeah, there he goes, ripping it off.
Good.
That's great.
Easiest tear off ever.
Love it.
I wonder how old the roof is.
Look at this.
Oh my word.
I mean, it doesn't look like that much granule loss.
No.
So it's probably not crazy old. Yeah, there's a nice, easy tear off.
Goodness.
Customer should get a discount for less labor.
Yeah. That's like other company.
See that every single nail has not touched this shingle.
Yeah.
Look at that. Nowhere has he hit this shingle.
Simple thing, just nail it in the right spot.
Yeah, but they used all the nails, but it's literally an inch too high on all of them. Ouch. Oh, man. Poor customer.
Yeah, I don't think I've ever been on anything to this degree, but definitely high nails. I mean, it is a common problem.
Right, yeah.
For roofs not to be nailed properly. Now you're supposed to go through both shingles, so now you have double layers of shingles. And your nail gun, pneumatic nail gun is designed to go through, or the pressure is set to do that. But if you're only going through half the amount of material, it's going to blow right through.
I got to get out there and make sure our guys are nailing them correctly.
Yeah, I mean, it happens.
Yeah.
We'll inspect one of our own jobs and some shingles or an area isn't nailed properly. So,
which is why we have those end of project checklists and reviews and inspections and stuff, so that we can catch this stuff and keep it from happening.
Right.
For customers, and so we're not going back 10 years from now tearing a roof off like this.